हमारे आयुर्वेद औषधियों में बहुत ताकत है और यह आज से नहीं बल्कि पौराणिक काल से परंतु वर्तमान समय में इस क्षेत्र में और शोध की जरूरत है और हमें उम्मीद है कि आयुर्वेद और होम्योपैथी संस्थान के छात्र इसमें और शोध करने इसे वैज्ञानिक प्रमाणता के साथ दुनिया के सामने लाएंगे। यह कहना है केंद्रीय आयुष मंत्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल का। सोनोवाल आज यहां शिलोंग स्थित उत्तर पूर्वी आयुर्वेद और होम्योपैथी संस्थान NIAH द्वारा शिलोंग ऑर्किड रिसोर्ट में आयोजित एक कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करते हुए बोल रहे थे। केंद्रीय आयुष मंत्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल ने अपने संबोधन में कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का यह विजन है कि आयुर्वेद को वही पुरानी मान्यता दिलाना जिसके लिए भारत प्रसिद्ध था और इसके लिए मंत्रालय और संस्थानों को एक साथ मिलकर काम करना होगा। खास तौर पर छात्रों को उन्होंने संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि उन्हें न केवल शोध करना होगा बल्कि अपने शोध को वैज्ञानिक आधार पर उसे प्रमाण करके यह सिद्ध करना होगा कि आयुर्वेद ही जीवन का आधार है। सोनोवाल ने पत्रकारों को बताया कि यहाँ की उत्तर पूर्वी आयुर्वेद और होम्योपैथी संस्थान NIAH में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट PG कोर्स आरंभ करने की भी मंजूरी मंत्रालय ने दे दी है। साथ यहाँ के संस्थान को और स्वावलंबी बनाया जाएगा जिससे छात्रों को कोई दिक्कत न हो।
To this particular occasion, because of my eagerness to promote the institution, because as a minister, this is my responsibility to pay visit to all the premises of the institution under Ayush Ministry. Today, I could not make it possible to the premises of your institution because of MCC. That is why we have organized the event here and to exchange our ideas. जैसे कि आप सबको मालूम है, देश की आदर्श बड़ी नेता प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी देश की प्रगति के लिए सुबह शाम पिछले 7 साल में मेहनत करके आए हैं और उन्होंने विशेष रूप में नॉर्थ ईस्ट की प्रगति के लिए, विकास के लिए उन्होंने जो कदम उठाए हैं, इसकी वजह से आज हमें आगे बढ़ने का एक सुनहरा मौका मिला है।
In the herbal plantation, medicinal plantation, and also protect nature so that we can protect our future tomorrow. So with this particular goal, now different institution is coming up in the different parts of the country, and this Meghalaya Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy is also one of the important institution. Now we have some more initiative need to be taken to upgrade this institution. That is why we are looking forward to start PG classes here, and whatever infrastructure is required before starting the PG courses, we will definitely complete the infrastructure facilities. And secondly, the stipend issue, as the intern of the Ayurveda, they have also been demanding that their stipend should be at par with the National Institution of Ayurveda, Jaipur. So now I have already declared that this should be done at par. So with this, I hope that the student and interns and research scholars, teachers, they will all be working together as a team so that in the near future, this particular institution will grow not only in the national map, also but the international scenario. So that is why I believe the people of Meghalaya will definitely give special emphasis on these issues, and also the people of Northeast, because Honorable Prime Minister firmly believe that considering the available potentialities, possibilities and prosperities of Northeast, this particular region can be the new engine for India's growth. So that is why this responsibility to play the role of an engine is the biggest responsibility on the soldier of the Northeasterner, This is a golden opportunity to prove our talent, ability, commitment, dedication, discipline, etc., etc. That is why I believe, respected media friends, through you, I want that this particular message to percolate to the ground and let everybody come forward and also to promote Ayush, because Ayush can give you a good health, good life, and happy life. So this is the, the traditional system of medicine we have for so many centuries together. You know that before the arrival of the medical science, allopathic, it was the traditional system of medicine through which in the different centuries, whatever pandemic came to the human life, that time also people, use those traditional system of medicine to protect their health, to protect their human society. So that way, this particular treatment has got tremendous value, and that is to be now scientifically researched and studied, and also we are to bring out, the findings, scientific findings, and evidence, so that we can convince the people of the world that this is one of the best system of medicine. And at the same time, for your information, Honorable Prime Minister has already directed to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Ayush to go hand in hand, because our goal is the same, to protect the human life and also to prevent the diseases. So now, as we have the common goals, so in this particular aspect, we have several rounds of discussion at the ministerial level and also the official level. This is a very, very good beginning. I am sure in the near future, every villages of the country, every towns of the country, hills, plains, everywhere, every part of the country, the people are going to get better service, and also people are going to get